I just had the craziest dream. Okay, literally the craziest dream. It was like one of those bad dreams that just would never ever end. Honestly, it was a nightmare. I had a dream that I had lost my mind and made one side of my truck black and then the other side chrome. What an idiot. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. As you guys already know, 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 lifted on 285/75 R16s. I want to make this video now. I should have made it before, but there's a dirty little secret I didn't tell you about my lift kit. And for some odd reason, not a lot of people make this video, and a lot of people don't even talk about it. But first, you guys absolutely like lost your mind in that last video when I revealed the truck, of course. Or did I lose my mind? I don't know. I want to name the truck. Now, it's like the Aing truck, right? But something that we can name this truck. Now, a lot of people have really good suggestions, so I want to shout them out now. Joshua Sappa. I feel like you need a coin to flip to select all your mods. Two-Face. So if you don't know, Two-Face like flips his coin, you know what I'm talking about. So that seems like to be a very popular one. Charles Norris, love the uniqueness you have given it. Reminds me of the supervillain named Two-Face. Huh? What do we think? What are we thinking? Richard Davis. Now, Richard Davis was one of actually the first people that brought this up, like naming the truck. Yin Yang truck. Like yin yang, like one side. I don't know. I like that one very, very much. Eduardo Pinedo. I like it. The Gemini truck. The Gemini truck, what do we think? William Santa Zayas? I'm sorry if I don't know how to say her name. Harvey Dent Taco. Jesus Lopez. He went in and put in some work on this topic, okay? Two-Face Taco. Coma Two-Face. Coma Two-Face? Coma Two-Face. Ah, I got what you're saying. Double coin coma. Double-sided Tacoma. Double-sided taco. James Cavana. I know I messed up your last name. I'm so sorry. Toyota Tacoma. That one is pretty darn snazzy. Toyota Tacoma. Come on. What do you guys think, or do you have something better? Leave it down in the comment section down below. Alrighty, so if you're here just to find out how to prevent that vibrating uncomfortableness from your Toyota Tacoma, this is the video for you. As you guys already see, 2.5 inch in the front, 1.5 in the rear, 285/75 R16s, and we're looking absolutely snazzy. Now, of course, there's a million things and a half that can actually cause vibration. This is just one of the very most common. Some of the other issues you can actually get on a stock Tacoma. So if you have a stock Tacoma, this vibration wouldn't happen. But if you lift your Tacoma, it is more than likely gonna happen. So there's a lot of things going on when you lift your truck. Pretty much from the factory, everything is like this. Literally everything, okay? Everything is horizontal, everything is flat. I know my fingers aren't the cutest, but when you start lifting things starts to angle and point down and get uncomfortable, and tension happens and things break. On my last Tacoma, I lifted it, did the same thing that I did on this truck, but I ended up having a vibration. From 20 to 45 miles an hour, I started to feel a vibration right there, right down there. It started to vibrate, like it would be like whoa, 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 whoa. Until I got in the higher speeds, then it went away. I never understood why people didn't make a video on this. I have seen so many YouTubers do videos on their lip. This train is really trying to do something right now. You want to do it like right now? You want to? I've seen so many YouTubers show off their lifts, bruh, this train is not playing. I have seen so many YouTubers do videos on their lifts, on their tires, showing it off. So many people are in the comments like begging for help. It's so sad, like begging, like, hey, I have vibrations after I did the same lift kit you did. How do I? And what sucks is they're everyday average Joes like you and I work a 9 to 5 and then I get out and enjoy my truck as much as I possibly can. Now, the problem is if you're an everyday average Joe and you're not a real like enthusiast and you don't know what causes this, it causes a lot of frustration. So that's what I want to prevent, because I genuinely care about you guys. I don't want to leave you guys out of the loop. This plane is here to ruin the video. I know you guys may think there's a lot of chitter chatter going on, but I really want you guys to understand what's going on so that when you go to a mechanic shop or when you go to your off-road shop, you at least know what we're talking about. The problem is right here. So you see that axle right there? That's called the CV axle. Down there, the CV axle connects into the differential. This is by no means a scientific explanation, but this should give you a general idea of what's going on. That CV axle leads into a needle bearing. That needle bearing is what it says it is. It's a bearing and it has needles inside. When you put the truck at an angle, it's not very comfortable for the truck. Needles inside of that bearing start to break up, and that's what starts to cause the vibration. Sometimes they don't even break and they already start causing vibration. Aing, whatever, brother, I can deal with the vibration. Yeah, homie, you can, but then those needles start to slip into your differential, and that's not good. So I wanted to do this as a PSA. Right now, make sure if you're gonna lift your truck to do this, because if not, you may have to go back. Aing, I don't mind, I'd rather do it when I need it. Yeah, okay, well listen here, buddy, I'm trying to save you some bucks. Let's say you do it, you lift your truck, you call it a day, you're living nice and snazzy. 3 months later, vibrate. You're gonna have to go back. When you go back, they're gonna charge you a lot more for labor. I think it was like 4 hours of labor just doing that part. So I waited until the lift came in, and then they charged me 1 hour of labor. So you save yourself 3 hours of labor. Consider it, maybe it's worth it. So there's a lot of companies that actually do like the replacement. I went with East Coast Gear Supply. It just seems to be the most reputable one, I guess you could say. They guarantee 500,000 miles. That's a pretty bold statement. A lot of people say they put it in and they never have a problem, mostly because people probably don't get to 500,000 miles. So with that all being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helps somebody out. If you're dealing with this problem and you're having vibrations up front, a good way to check it out is turn on 4x4. If you feel that vibration go away, then you're good to go. You know it's the East Coast Gear Supply. If you feel it more in the rear, you probably went a little bit too high, brother, and you got to get some other stuff to level everything out back there. If you have the same problem or you had this problem, leave it down below in the comment section. Let people know, you know, if this works or if there's a different solution. I have not found any other solution, and this is working mighty fine for me. So far, so good. So I'll keep you guys posted on it. If anything were to go wrong, of course, you guys will be the first to know. So with all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.